Do you want to know how to follow people on your Instagram using just by your contact number? If your answer is yes, then this whole particular video is for you. Welcome to our channel ITyug 24/7. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about how to follow people on your Instagram using your contact number. So without any further delay, let's get started. It actually happens when you create a new Instagram profile of yours and you want to follow more people that are already on your contact list, but you don't know what's their Instagram handle or their Instagram ID. So what to do in this particular case? What you're gonna do is go to your Instagram. As you can see, this is a very new Instagram page that I've created with only one follower particularly. I'll tap this option on the right corner, top right corner. While scrolling down, we can see this option, follow and invite friends. I'll tap on it. In this particular tab, we're gonna click on follow contact. Instagram will ask for your permission to allow access for your contact. Whoever person is in your contact list will directly be suggested on your Instagram profile so that you can follow them indirectly without knowing their Instagram handle or anything else, because you know people, right? What we're gonna do is we'll just allow access. Okay, after doing that, so now what you're gonna do is go to home page, go to messages and accounts that follows you, see all, tap on this. Just below this, you can find so many suggestions that those are people who are in your contact list, and you can follow them on Instagram. So I have so many people. That's how you can follow any person who are in your contact list, and that's all. I'm gonna meet you in the next one. So till then, take care.